when it comes to the new year and making resolutions, what if this is your year to put your best skin forward? Here to tell us more on how to find that natural and refreshed look to feel your most optimal self is Dr. Simran Sethi. Dr. Sethi, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Yes. Heading into this new year, I know so many people have skin on their minds.
Skin is definitely, in terms of beauty trends, skin is you know, first and foremost.
And heading into this new year, I know that there are a lot of trends that we kind of have to debunk, but some natural trends that we kind of want to hop on board with.
Yeah, so in general, in beauty, there has been a huge push towards looking natural. And when I say that, you know, there have been a lot of celebrities who've come out and stated that they dissolved their fillers because they just weren't looking themselves. And I would say in all three of my clinics, that's the first thing I hear. I want to look myself, I want to look natural, but I want to look refreshed, younger, but again, myself. So when it comes to beauty trends and treatments, there's going to be a greater focus on treatments that boost your ability to make collagen. I know treatments like Ultherapy, which is for skin tightening, microneedling with radio frequency, again, skin tightening, wrinkle, pore size reduction, and even things like lasers that just make you make new collagen, make your skin stronger, smoother, tighter, are going to be even bigger next year. They've already made they're very popular, so they've definitely grown, but I think that next year there's going to be an even greater focus on those.
Amazing. And you actually have an example for us. We have a picture of a before and after, right?
Yes, so Courtney Co is a good example of a celebrity who went from getting fillers done to address aging and you know, concerns and loss of volume, and then now she's dissolved them because she just wasn't looking herself. And so I think I see more of that. And I see a lot of people who say they're scared to do anything, any kind of beauty treatment, because they think that that is always what is going to happen. You're going to look like somebody else, which is not true. There are so many natural solutions that are very effective. And I think that that's going to be an even more popular thing next year.
Amazing. And can we dive a little bit deeper into some of those natural procedures, or maybe just the natural things that people can do?
Yes, exactly. So some of the, you know, the three top treatments that I do in my practice, and I think they are actually globally a trend, are a treatment called Ultherapy. It's a treatment that is focused on lifting your skin and muscle, which is very natural, has no downtime. Then the other very, very popular one is microneedling with radio frequency. Excellent for tightening the skin, reducing fine lines. And then the third one is Sculptra, which helps us replete volume to also give more lifting in the face. So those are very natural treatments. They all essentially make your body do the work. So we're giving a stimulus and the body is making new collagen. That's essentially the basis of all of them.
Amazing. Yeah. And then what about specifically when it comes to hair restoration?
Yes, that's another huge trend. You know, the hair restoration market is huge. And there are some, I would say, sometimes I feel like people are taken advantage of because they're more vulnerable. But there has been such a big increase in the number of hair restoration with plasma-rich platelet procedures that we've done, and just being done overall, because it's a very effective treatment. So microneedling with PRP, plasma-rich platelets, will take your own growth factors and insert them into your follicles. It's an excellent treatment, very effective if done on the right person. So if you are considering hair restoration with PRP, you should have some hair growth, but of course some thinning, and then you're the perfect candidate. But again, something that's very natural, well proven, studied, and also has no downtime.
And that's a winner right there. When you don't have any downtime.
Exactly. You can walk out of a clinic and, like, you know, essentially go home and be back to normal. So
and feel your best self.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
And another way that we can feel our best selves is that glowing skin. So what do you offer to help people achieve that?
Of course, and you know, when it comes to trends, treatments, is, you know, we talked about that, but in skin, there's been a trend that I think has actually been a big trend for most of this year, and I think will just continue to get bigger next year, is glass skin. So everyone wants glass skin. Yes, huge on TikTok and Instagram, and I think it's achievable by anyone. So the glass glass skin look is having your skin look like it's porcelain, just like glass.
Yeah.
And even if you have texture on your skin, you can achieve glass skin by choosing a moisturizer that has lipids in it, and then retaining that moisture by putting on a hyaluronic acid serum on top of that. And that will actually give you that really beautiful, glowy glass skin appearance.
Oh my gosh, so actually everybody can, it sounds like anybody can achieve the glowy glass
totally
skin.
Can. Yes, yes, absolutely.
Amazing. Okay, so I have to ask before I let you go, one final tip on skin when it comes to heading into the new year, Dr. Sethi.
So, you know, heading into the new year, we eat a lot of sweets.
Yes.
And we probably don't drink as much water as we should. But you know, no matter which part of the U.S. you're in, the climate is probably a little dry, or you're indoors and you're, you know, sitting in some sort of heated room. So we know that sugar will dehydrate you, and it actually causes your skin to age. But regardless, drinking water, so not drinks or electrolyte drinks, but water is huge. It really does impact what your skin looks like. Yeah. So I know it may sound like a very simple tip, but we forget about how important it is.
I 100% agree with that too. You have to drink enough water. It's so important for your skin. So thank you, Dr. Sethi, so much for these tips heading into the new year. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Of course.